The demands that dialysis has on our patients is life-altering. The resilience that they show is inspiring.
My name's Terry Dunning, and I started on dialysis in 2016.
My name is Joyce Amplayo. I first was diagnosed with kidney disease in 2003.
It's wonderful to see friendships and relationships bloom here. Terry and Joyce have found commonalities outside of dialysis. They talk quite often about life in general, their families, their travels. They go bird watching and seem to really enjoy each other.
My friendship with Joyce has been very helpful to me in many ways because obviously we share a medical condition and so we have something to talk about if nothing else.
Terry asked me if I wanted to go birding with them. I wanted to regain my stamina by going outdoors, exercising, and so I took his offer to go birding with him. I've learned a lot from Terry because he's been doing it for quite some time, and he's also a very good photographer.
The patients being able to have those friendships is a very positive thing. Having someone who understands what you're going through and has similar experiences can be very reassuring, a very helpful thing because you don't feel as alone.
You know, Joyce is one of my best friends, and so I really have enjoyed spending time with her and hope to continue to do so for some time.
The ability of Puget Sound Kidney Center and its affiliates to be able to help the patients, it touches my heart that they can do that. To be able to touch their lives outside of this building is a tremendous honor.
Working as Puget Sound Kidney Center, it's bringing me happiness when I see patients receiving safe and effective care and then supporting them throughout the kidney treatment journey.
What I take away every day here is the community, the collaboration, the care that patients give to us, that we give to the patients, that patients give each other. These positive relationships outside of the clinic is just so important for overall health and well-being. It's just a community and really important to me and to the patients.